Hey guys, Jess here. I'm back. I got my Cocoa Daisy March kit. I'm so excited to share this with you. I'm really kind of excited about this one, and you guys will see why in a minute. Yeah, so this is the March kit. I showed you guys February. This is like seriously my new favorite subscription. So let's just go ahead and jump right in, and I'll share it with you. We got the fun tissue paper again, and oh, this one, maybe I said it last time, this one actually has Cocoa Daisy printed right on it. How adorable. Alright. So, I'd love to know how many of you maybe got a kit last time or entertained the subscription if you enjoyed the last share, or unboxing if you will. This one is so fun and near and dear to my heart because it has pugs. For those of you who don't know me personally, I love pugs. I had one at one point, and I'm always on the lookout to rescue another. I just find them to be the best dogs ever, and look how cute he is. Oh my gosh, there's so many of these little characters. I'm so excited. And so the story behind this is I'm thrilled to be collaborating with Lanú's Pots for our April collection, Meadow. She created an adorable assortment of pugs, butterflies, bunnies, then tied them all together with a springtime element, a perfect combination to help you out of the winter blahs and into the fresh, warm days ahead. The soft colors or playful feel of this collection is sure to put you in a spring mood and inspire your creativity. Christine, I just find this so sweet, and I love the colors. And then I got another little gift that I want to share with all of you. So they gave me a little perk here, if you will, or referral program. So if you head on over and sign up for a subscription and you put my name in the comment, which is Jess Grenier, you get $10 to spend of your own purchase, and so will I. So if you guys are interested in signing up for the subscription, head on over, there's the link, and use my name, and we'll each get $10 to spend. So something to consider. Alright, so, and I will put that link, I'll put that link in the description below just so in case you need it, but that was nice. So alright, let's jump right in. So first we've got the die cuts. I can't wait to see these. I'm like so excited about these images. Alright. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So adorable. I have so many layouts, like photos of Simon. And the cute little umbrella. And normally I'm not like a themed or character kind of collection, but this one is just too cute. Oh my god, the bunny's adorable. Look at his little knit hat. Isn't that cute? And a ton of circles, which I love. It'd be good for stamping or just as elements on your page. Awesome. And we've got beautiful butterflies and flowers, so the artwork is just stunning. It's like got a watercolor feel to it. So pretty. Here's another one here. Aren't those beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Then we've got another circle with the date, a little label, spring walk. Every little thing is going to be alright. Great saying. And then things to do on a rainy day. Super fun, so cute. So let's put these back so we don't lose any of them. Oh my god, I think everything about this is so fun. Perfect spring colors too. Alright, so that was the die cuts. And so this is some words. Some die cut words. Let's see. So we got Rain, Rain, Go Away. Oh, 2 of those. Oh, 2 of each. So Rain, Rain, Go Away, Spring Fever, and You Are My Sunshine. How sweet. And a nice size too. Not too big, not too small. Love it. And great font. I love that it's black. Those are fun. Then we've got some cool enamel dots that are in the shape of raindrops. How fun is that? And they have a little shimmer to them. Let's see, there you go. Get a little bit closer view. I'm not normally into shimmer enamel dots, but the fact that these are in the shape of raindrops, like immediately I think about doing like a rainbow with a cloud and have these coming down from the cloud. I don't know. That's a layout idea. I'll have to try that. Those are so pretty. And then we got a stamp set. We've got This Was So Yummy. Absolutely loved this. Here Comes the Rain Again. When Skies Are Gray, Our Favorite Things, Renew, Refresh, Recharge, and some butterfly images and a little vine. Beautiful. We'll do the cards after. Look at these puffy stickers. Oh my gosh. How adorable are these? The clouds, the umbrella, the raindrops, the bunnies. Oh, that one kills me. So cute. And then the little butterfly on his nose. Adorable. I love them. So cute. Then we've got some chipboard circles. Fun little saying in colors. Beautiful. I love the colors. Some puffy yellow alphas. These are some rub-ons, which are so cute. I know not everybody loves rub-ons, but I do. So I hope these work really well because I absolutely love them. And we've got some papers. I think these are 6x8. A couple of whites. And we got 2 of the patterns. And then here's the back side. Beautiful colors. Absolutely beautiful. Love, love, love. There's that. And then instead of, because last one had a layout, like a couple layout instructions in here, this one is actually a mini album project. And they send you over to YouTube with the instructional video. So that's really cool. I love that idea. What a nice little touch. I think that's so great. All right. So then we're going to go to the cards. I can't wait to see these. All right. So we'll do the big ones first. April showers bring May flowers. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that one. The butterflies and the splatter. I love it. We've got an April calendar. And then just the plaid on the back. Happiness blooms from within. That one's really pretty too. Spring, or Here Comes Spring. And then the umbrellas. I love that. Beautiful. All right, here are the 3x4s. All right, April documented. April with the little pug with the sweater. And you guys, April is my birth month. So like, I just feel like this kit was made for me. It's the month of April and there's pugs on it. Like, it just doesn't get any better. Spread your wings and fly. Some fun patterns. Happy Easter. Rain is just confetti from the sky. Love that. Things to do on a rainy day. Those who move forward with a happy spirit will find that things always work out. That is such a true statement. Oh my gosh. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Go with the flow. There's always a rainbow after the rain. When skies are gray. The colors, I just love the colors. Stay close to people who feel like sunshine. Bon appetit. Some little speech bubbles. Week at a glance. All right, that's side one. And then here's the back side. April stories. Oh, this one's double-sided. That's okay, I love it. Documented, Happy Easter. Some more of the umbrellas. Pattern, oh, Current Obsession. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Happiness looks like this. Highlights. Be happy in the moments, that's enough. Each moment is all we need, not more. Mother Teresa. Sunshine on my mind. Oh, that one's cute too. It's a bad day to have a bad day. You know, it's always important to document the not so great things too. I'm glad they accounted for that. Oh, this one's little snails. Look how cute. Spring breathes new life into the world around us. So true. Takeout. Some clouds. Notes. Florals. Pattern. And a cute little bunny at the end. Noteworthy. So adorable. How fun is this collection, guys? Like, absolutely beautiful. Love it. I can't wait to play. So excited. So, remember, this one's called Meadow. It's March. And so remember, if you're interested, I'll put the link below. You can get $10 and I can get $10. So, that would be super fun if you're interested. I tell you, it's worthwhile. It's very affordable. Great collection. Small business, run by women. It's amazing. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great night. Bye.